Look what I bought today.
Wow, that's amazing.
This is my new phone.
Oh! It's so beautiful.
The camera looks awesome.
All right, here's the new phone. You can watch videos and play games. Just be careful with it.
Dinner is ready.
Thank you.
Yum.
I'll be back in a minute. Dad went outside.
Maybe I can look at it. Tom became curious. I'll be very careful. This camera is incredible. Dad's phone is so cool.
Tom. Wow.
The phone slipped.
No!
Crash.
Oh no. The screen is broken.
I'm back. I'm back. What happened?
Nobody spoke.
Oh no.
I'm sorry, Dad. I dropped it.
Tell the truth. I will, Mom.
Dad stayed calm. Accidents happen.
Really? 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 You are more important than a phone.
Thanks, Dad.
It's okay, Tom. It's okay. I'm here for you.
We all make mistakes.
This can be repaired. We can get it fixed tomorrow.
Okay, thanks, Dad.
Telling the truth matters.
I know, Dad. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm proud of you for being honest.
I understand now.
The family stayed together.
Thank you for forgiving me.
Honesty made the family stronger.